Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the first daily vlog of this Myrtle Beach vacation. It is like, I think, close to 10 o'clock. We're all just getting our suits on, and we're getting ready. We're going to get some breakfast somewhere, and then we're heading to the beach already, because why not? So, yeah, I'll bring you along the ride, and I hope you like the videos. We made it to the beach!
Oh.
Hi. What? Hold on. Wave the puppies. Hey, where you going?
Here's a big one.
So we've been out here for a couple hours now. I've just been boogie boarding for the past hour, and then my eyes and everything for results. So I decided to take a little break. So yeah, whew, it's been fun. It feels amazing. Honestly, a lot better than Ohio. So it should be a pretty good weekend. Hopefully, I'm pretty ham by the time we get done. Say hi! Hey, little man, say hi! Hi! What are you doing, Jace? You guys are silly. Hey everybody, and that is it for the ocean today. As you can tell, my face got super burnt already today, so yes. But yeah, we are all back home and showered and have clothes on now, and we're just all chilling and hanging out, and we're probably gonna get food soon, which I hope, because I am really hungry. But yeah, I don't know, just thought I'd update you guys, I guess. But yeah, super fun. Now I know next time to put more sunscreen on, especially on my face. Yeah, bad decision. Oh well, still fun, still worth it, definitely worth it. No, it's obviously it's obviously a lot later than the last time I vlogged. I kind of forgot. But yeah, we've had pizza now for supper and whatnot. But me and Brad are now taking a little nighttime walk along the beach, and it's really nice. And the sand is just, I don't know, it's just so nice. I am really happy right now. Woo.